Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on Ford Expedition. Park the truck on level ground and disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Wear gloves and safety glasses and ensure the engine is cool before you begin. Note belt routing with a photo so reinstallation is accurate. Keep fasteners organized in order and label electrical connectors to avoid mistakes when installing the new alternator. Begin by releasing the serpentine belt tensioner and slipping the belt off the alternator pulley. Use a 15 mm socket to remove the alternator mounting bolts while supporting the unit with your other hand. Disconnect the main power cable and any plug connectors, noting their positions. Inspect the bracket and pulley for wear and clean contact surfaces before fitting the replacement alternator to ensure reliable operation and fitment. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more repairs and tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion for hands-free timers and music while you work. I find it useful for setting step timers and playing instructions during repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new alternator into the bracket and start the mounting bolts by hand to ensure correct alignment. Tighten bolts to manufacturer specification and reconnect the electrical harness and main power cable securely. Refit the serpentine belt and use the tensioner to set proper belt tension, verifying routing matches your reference photo. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and start the engine to check charging voltage and listen for unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.